Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen essential that promises to elevate your everyday cooking experience. We're talking about the Blue Diamond 12-inch non-stick frying pan skillet. Now, Blue Diamond has been making waves in the cookware industry, and this particular pan, infused with diamond technology, has a lot of hype around it. So, let's see if it lives up to its sparkling reputation. Right off the bat, the most prominent feature and the core of Blue Diamond's claim is its diamond-infused ceramic non-stick coating. They're not just saying it's non-stick, they're saying it's diamond tough. This means the surface is metal utensil safe, which is a huge win for many home cooks who don't always want to be reaching for silicone or wooden tools. They claim this coating is 5 times harder and 10 times longer lasting than traditional non-stick coatings. This is a bold statement, and in our testing, we found that it does indeed hold up incredibly well to everyday use, from scraping away brown bits to even accidentally using a metal spatula. Another major selling point is the heat conductivity. Diamonds are known for being excellent conductors of heat, and Blue Diamond leverages this by infusing them into the pan's surface. The idea is that this allows for faster heating and, consequently, easier cleanup. We found this to be largely true. The pan heats up relatively quickly and evenly across the surface, which is crucial for preventing hot spots and ensuring consistent cooking. Now, let's talk about health and safety, a growing concern for many. This pan is advertised as toxin-free, meaning it's free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. This is a significant benefit. You can cook your meals, from delicate eggs to searing meats, with the peace of mind that you're not releasing harmful fumes or chemicals into your food. This commitment to healthier cooking is a definite plus. Durability is also a key focus. The pan features a heavy-duty forged base designed to prevent warping, wobbling, or degrading over time. This is important because a warped pan won't sit flat on your stovetop, leading to uneven heating and frustrating cooking experiences. Our experience suggests this pan maintains its structural integrity even with frequent use. The versatility of this frying pan is another area where it shines. It's oven and broiler safe up to a remarkable 600 degrees Fahrenheit. This means you can start a dish on the stovetop and seamlessly transfer it to the oven to finish cooking or broil, all without missing a beat. This feature opens up a lot of culinary possibilities, making it a true workhorse in the kitchen. Cleanup is often the least favorite part of cooking, but Blue Diamond addresses this head-on. The pan is dishwasher safe, making post-meal tidying a breeze. While handwashing is always recommended for extending the life of any non-stick cookware, knowing you can toss it in the dishwasher for those busy nights is a huge convenience. Comfort and control are not overlooked. The pan features a riveted stainless steel handle, designed for a secure and comfortable grip. The riveted construction ensures the handle stays firmly attached, and the ergonomic design makes it easy to maneuver the pan, even when it's full. Finally, stovetop compatibility is important for everyone. This pan is compatible with all stovetops, with the exception of induction. So, if you have a gas, electric, or ceramic stovetop, you're good to go. Let's summarize the pros. The diamond infusion provides exceptional durability and metal utensil safety. The superior heat conductivity leads to faster and more even cooking. The toxin-free coating offers peace of mind for healthier cooking. The heavy-duty forged base prevents warping. Its versatility with oven and broiler use up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit is fantastic. And of course, it's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup, with a comfortable, secure handle. However, no product is perfect, and there are a few cons to consider. While it's metal utensil safe, it's still advisable to use non-abrasive utensils when possible to maintain the absolute pristine condition of the non-stick surface over many years. Also, as mentioned, it is not compatible with induction stovetops, which might be a deal-breaker for some users. In conclusion, the Blue Diamond 12-inch non-stick frying pan skillet is a robust and high-performing piece of cookware. It effectively combines durability, healthy cooking, and convenience. The diamond infusion is more than just a marketing gimmick, it translates to a genuinely tough and long-lasting non-stick surface that can withstand the rigors of daily cooking. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, this pan is a worthy addition to your kitchen arsenal, offering excellent value and performance. Link in the description.